Hello everyone, we are Motorbath Car Customs from Hyderabad, myself Vipin. Today, let's talk about Nissan Micra suspension and engine mountings. Customer has raised a complaint regarding the suspension noise and the dashboard noise in the car. In this video, we're going to show you what all parts need to be changed.
Sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red.
Here we can see the ABC lower engine mounting should be changed.
Everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay.
Here we can see there is a leakage in the rear shocks.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing.
Now let's start the work.
Confusing, was it me, is it me, am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel.
Here we have the parts which we're going to use on this car. We have lower arms, link rod, ball joint, push kit and shock absorbers. Now we'll discuss about Monroe suspension, why they are most preferable and built different. Monroe suspensions are most preferred stocks and stud brands because they understand that every vehicle is not same. The design and the durability and the performance, the standard of the parts are very specific from design. Their build quality is very high and technician in mind for easy installation and proven performance and reduce customer comeback.
I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings.
Keep supporting, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, Dhanyavad. Jai Hind.